Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making essence of berries. The ingredient list is in the description. I will show you how to get clear and clean flavor from your berries. You might be asking, why would I want to make berry essence, but you would be surprised with the amount of things you can do with that. Check out my channel for the recipes I make with essence of berries. Let's get started. We will be making 4 types of berries: raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. My advice is to make essence with frozen berries, because fresh berries should be eaten fresh. Frozen berries are more cost effective at a project like this, and frozen berries are usually picked at their prime, whereas fresh berries might be too sour or unripe. I will be showing you one berry, but the basic principle is the same for the rest. Let's do it with raspberries. Place 500 grams of frozen raspberries in a metal or glass bowl and sprinkle over 20% of icing sugar. That would be 100 grams. Here are the 2 reasons why I'm using icing sugar. 1, it's easy to dissolve, and 2, it has a little bit of starch in it, making the essence full-bodied later on. You can use whatever weight you want. Just remember 20% for the icing sugar. Seal the bowl with cling film, nice and tight. Go around the bowl twice. Shake the bowl, coating the berries. Fill a medium-sized pot with water. Turn on the heat and make sure it's simmering. Place the bowl on the top. We are creating a Bain-marie. We want the bowl to sit on the top of the pot for 2 hours. Over time, the cling film will bubble up. Don't worry, it won't burst. The reason we are doing it this way is to introduce a gentle amount of uniform heat to the berries. I would also suggest topping up the water after 1 hour with some boiled hot water to keep the temperature the same. Carry on until you reach 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the bowl away and be careful when you pop the cling film, as steam can rush out. Just look at that sexy deep red liquid that was released from the raspberries during the process. Take a tall container and pour everything in. Wrap it with cling film. Place it in your fridge to let it infuse overnight, making it richer in flavor. Now, just repeat with the blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Do the same as well after they are done. Transfer to a tall enough container and keep it in the fridge overnight. The next day, take a large bowl and sieve. We're going to do the first strain. This is just to separate the large pulp. Immediately when I peeled back the cling film, an instant burst of raspberry scent came to me. Pour that over. That's just amazing. If only you could smell that right now with me. Let that drain for a couple of minutes. Shake the sieve around, but do not press or squeeze the pulp. It is fine to roll it around. It isn't much, but it's very powerful stuff. Now take another bowl with a sieve, and this time with some kitchen cloths. Place several layers. We're going to strain it for the second time. Pour it in and let it drip naturally. After some time, you can squeeze the cloth. Check this out. Raspberries are naturally hairy. The blue cloth helped to catch the hairs. Just look at that clear liquid. Looks almost like blood. If you don't have a kitchen towel, but you have a coffee filter, you can use that too. Like I said, just let it naturally drip. It will take some time, but it's worth the wait. Now just repeat with the blueberry, blackberry and strawberry. Surprisingly, the blackberries was the dirtiest with a lot of tiny pulp bits, as you can see from the blue cloth. Let's just take a look at this. Pure, clean and massively full of flavor. If you were to drink this 1 tablespoon, you would taste about 100 raspberries. It's that intense. Beautiful, but intense. I'm going to shine my camera light in the beaker with the raspberry essence. I love the red fluorescent tone to the liquid. That right there is just bubbles. So, since I'm left here with the pulp of all the berries, I decided to make some fruit leather. Such a great snack item, full of flavor, texture and sugar. Check out my channel for the recipe on how I make my fruit leather. A link is on the top right corner. Or you can just make some really awesome fruit smoothies. I'm going to line them up now. Here we go in level of intensity and color. Here is the strawberry, followed by the raspberry, then blackberry, and then blueberry. I was surprised to find that the blackberry is more in the color range of raspberry than blueberry. The blueberry is really deep in color. My favorites are the raspberry and blueberry. Well, actually they're all my favorite. Here is another look at them with a backlight. Like I said, I'm still surprised about the blackberry, but they all taste fantastic, smooth, clean, and most importantly, lively. Well, there you have it. Essence of berries. Thank you for watching. Do check out my channel to see what I did with the essence of berries. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.